Ciao friends, my name is Marco Russo, and with Alberto Ferrari at Secret BI, we taught the DAX language to thousands of people with our articles, with our books, with our video courses. And I'm proud today to announce the third edition of the Mastering DAX video course, a training that covers all the features of the DAX language in a gradual way. Step by step, you can learn from the foundation, the syntax of the DAX language, the row context, the filter context, the context rendition, the calculate function, so that you can write any DAX expression even just after a few modules. Of course, you start with simple DAX expressions, and step by step we introduce new, more advanced contents. Of course, this training covers all the features of the DAX language, including the latest feature like calendar-based time intelligence, user-defined functions, but we also include visual calculations, window functions, we include calculation groups, all the features of this language that powers the semantic models in Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. You can learn DAX by watching videos on YouTube, by reading articles on internet, by using ChatGPT or some other AI. However, by using our video training, you can get a learning path that we created with the experience of teaching DAX to thousands of people all over the world in many in-person classes. When you use our learning platform, you have access not just to the lectures, but also to the subtitles in English and the subtitles translated in many different languages. Moreover, the subtitles are also organized in a full transcript that you can use to search a part of the conversation and to highlight parts, apply bookmarks so that it is easier to review the lecture later. When you buy the Mastering DAX video course, you have access to the training for 3 years, and this includes any update. Indeed, who purchased the training 1 or 2 years ago now get this new edition absolutely for free. If you have a question, just type your question in the forum. Maybe take a look at other questions because someone else could have asked the same question before you. We answer to everyone. Of course, we cannot answer immediately, but within a couple of days, usually 2-3 business days, we take care of providing an answer to all the questions. To complete your DAX learning, you have to practice. And we provide you exercise to start practicing what you learn in each lecture, in each module, and later on you should try to apply this knowledge in your models. Still not convinced? You can create a free account and have full access to a limited number of lectures that are part of the full video training. I'm sure that we will not disappoint you, and you will join us in learning this beautiful language. Enjoy DAX!